traces, worn out faces, bright and early for the daily races.